Hello, children. I hope you're enjoying the lockdown. You're studying well at your home. Okay. Children, can you see the screen? What's written? Never stop growing. Whether you are at home, at school, at any place, we should keep learning. Okay. Okay, today I'm going to teach you the very simple topic which you have already studied in your previous class. So it's a bit of revision. Class 5 English Grammar, that is chapter 2, alphabetical order. Okay, when I'm saying alphabetical order, first we need to learn the alphabets which you have already read. Okay, you must be smiling also. Ma'am has written ABCD which you have already done in your pre KG, KG, and all. Okay, but let us read it once again. Repeat after me: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Children, why I have done revision? Because it is the main thing which we require in alphabetical order exercise when we are doing the book exercise or when we are learning it. Alphabetical order. It is very important to know first what is an alphabetical order. Okay, so an alphabetical order, it is used to arrange something. Something means any letters or words alphabetically, okay, or anything also. See, children, is written alphabetical order or ABC order. It means putting words in the order of the alphabet, that is A to Z. Okay, where can we use or find the things in an alphabetical order? Children, if it is so important, it means there are many things which require it. So where can we use it? Let's see. Can we use it in attendance register? Yes. Children, when you will see your attendance register or roll number, you will see that names are arranged in an alphabetical order. Name starts with A first, right? Second one, contact list is mobile. Again, when you will open the contact list in mobile, you will see that the name starts with A, then B, and C, so on. Third is library. Children, it's not necessary that in every library the books are kept in alphabetical order. In some library you will see it is kept class wise, class 1 all the books, class 2 all the books, like so on. In some library you will find that the books are arranged subject wise. Okay, in the same way few libraries are arranged, in the few libraries you will see books are arranged in an alphabetical order. Okay, it makes them save their time. Okay, they can find the book easily. What is the next one? Chemist shops. Children, when you will go to the chemist shops, you will see that the medicines are arranged in alphabetical order. It's not compulsory that all the chemist shops are doing like this, but in few you may find. Dictionary, the most common example of alphabetical order. When you will open the dictionary, again you will find the words are arranged in an alphabetical order. Can you see the Oxford Dictionary? I have shown you the picture of Oxford Dictionary here. Okay. You must at it your home also. Okay, children, why is it important to arrange things alphabetically? Is it so important? But why? Okay. First one, it makes the things easier to find as we have to look only the first or second letter. Yes, children, it's so easy. Okay, if we know the alphabets, okay, the arrangement of alphabets, the order, it makes the thing so easy to find. Okay, and second one, it saves a precious time. Obviously we don't have to search unnecessary. Okay, we will go to that particular place, to the particular alphabet. Okay, we will find the book easily or anything. See, children, remember, you can earn more money, but when time is spent, it's gone forever. Okay, so it is also said time is money. So save your time. How should we arrange words in an alphabetical order? Let us see few examples here, children. Can you see? First, I have kept English grammar book, then a school bag is here, then a bottle is there, then notebook is there. So how we are going to arrange it? So first we will see the first alphabet. Textbook T, school bag S, bottle B, and notebook N. So which alphabet come first? Obviously bottle. B comes first. Okay, so I have written here bottle. Second is, sorry, second, then T, S, and N. So which alphabet comes first? N. So notebook I have written here. Third one is school. Wait a minute. School bag and textbook. Okay, you have seen the first alphabet and you have arranged it. Now move to the next one. I have written the names of fruits: orange, banana, grapes, guava and grapes. Can you see the beautiful pictures also of fruits? Okay, let us see the first alphabet, children. Orange O, banana B, guava G and grapes G. Okay, so first one B, banana. Then which alphabet comes? G, but it's written guava and grapes. We have to move to the second letter, children. U and R. Can you see U and R? So R comes first. So grapes will be the second one. Third will be guava and third will be the orange. Let us check the answer. Yes, banana, grapes, guava and orange. Let us move to the third question. Pencil, pen, papaya and pineapple. Children, can you see all the first letters are same? P, 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 P. So we have to move to the next letter. Here pencil E is there, again pen is there, again papaya is there and again pineapple is here. Fine. So we have to move to the next letter. P, E, P, E, P, A and P, I. So A. So papaya will come first. Then E, E, I. Then children, before I, E comes. So we have to move to pencil and pen. Which letter comes first? Pen will come. Why? Because P-E-N and P-E-N are common. So the short word will come first. So pen. Third one is pencil and then fourth one is pineapple. What is the next question? Next question is apple, application, apply and ape. Ape, children, can you see ape? The picture of ape is here, given here. Okay. Children, again, can you see A double P, A double P, A double P and here A, P, E. So E comes first. So ape will be first one. But here, can you see here apple? Here also A double P L, A double P L means four letters are same. So we have to move to the fifth one. So fifth letter is E, I and Y. So E comes first, so apple. Then I comes first, so application, and Y comes at last, so apply. So ape, apple, then application and then apply. Children, like this you have to arrange the words. Okay, book exercises are also here. Chapter 2, alphabetical order. Arrange these words in alphabetical order. These groups of words are synonyms. Okay. Children, first one, come to question number 1. Efficient, able, talented, experienced, accomplished, expert. So A comes first, so it will be able. Then after A, again accomplished is there, so accomplished. Then in the same way, third is efficient. Fourth, E, again experienced, then expert and then talented. Children, in the same way you have to check the first letter or the second letter, and in this way you have to do the book exercise. Let us come to the next question. Applaud, A comes first, and again appreciate is there. Then which iconize is there? Iconize, idolize, praise and revere. Now come to the next question. First boost will come, then elevate, enhance, improve, magnify and raise. Come to the fourth question, children. Again you have to first see here the first letter. First is accomplish, then complete, then conclude, finalize, finish and wind up. Children, where first letters are different, it is very easy to find, but if the two letters are same, you have to move forward. You have to check the third letter, fourth letter like this. Come to the question number 5. First one is angry, A comes first, then enraged, then third one is furious, infuriated, violent and wrathful. Come to the question number 6. First word starts with B here, brave, courageous, daring, fearless, gallant and valiant. Number 7, first one is ethical, genuine, honest, reliable, trustworthy and truthful. Okay, in the same way, 8th one, children, first one will be dangerous, dicey, hazardous, perilous, risky, and unsafe. Now move to the next question, children. See what's here. Student, you are now an expert in arranging the words in alphabetical order. You can consult a dictionary and find the meanings of the difficult words, children, within within a few seconds. I have already explained how can you find, okay, first alphabet, then go to the second, then third, like this. If you search the word according to the alphabetical order. So now there is a competition for the whole class. Children, you are sitting alone at your home. You don't have any competitor there. You don't have friends, classmates. So the competition is only for you. Fastest finder first. So take out your dictionary and find out the meanings of these words as fast as you can. So first one is futile. Futile means useless. Second one is evacuate, meaning to remove. Third one is trendy, meaning fashionable. Fourth one is embellish. It means garnish. Fifth one is aromatic. It means perfumed. Sixth is eloquent, means fluent. Mostly we use eloquent with reader, fluent reader. Seventh one is dexterous, means skillful. Number 8, feeble, means faint. Number 9 is horrible, means bad. Children, I have written the easy words for your better understanding, okay? Number 10 is judicious, wise. Children, you can write other synonyms also, no problem. 11th is delighted, means happy. 12th is stubborn, means obstinate. 13 is humiliate, means embarrass. And last one is lenient, means tolerant. I hope you have understood, children. Alphabetical order, you can do any exercise by your own. That's all. Thank you.